I chose to study zoology as I've always had a love for animals and the environment that they live in, and my passion is to go into a career of behavioural ecology, and Chester will help me do that. I have found having a personal academic tutor very, very helpful. She's always there to help me with assignment work and my mental health and well-being, and she checks in on me every now and again to make sure that I'm doing okay. The lecturers at Chester University have been very, very helpful. They're always there if you need to ask any questions and are always willing to help with any assignment work. There are loads of amazing things to see and do in Chester, and one of my personal favourites is going to sit by the River Dee. I love living in Chester. Even though I'm so far away from home, I love living in a place that's comfortable and safe.